International Marine Solid Work Cargoes Code. It should be noted that other international regulations exist and that those regulations may recognize all or parts of provision of this code. In addition, port authorities and other bodies and organizations should recognize the code and may use it as a basis for their storage and handling bylaws within loading and discharge areas. In a certain parts of a code, a particular action is prescribed, but responsibility for carrying out the action has not been specifically assigned to any particular person. It remains the prerogative of each government to assign this responsibility. When a cargo is listed in a cargo code, the bulk cargo shipping name of cargo is undefined by capital letters in individual schedules or in the index. Bulk density means the weight of solids, air, and water per unit volume. Bulk density is expressed in a kilograms per cubic meter in a general. The average spaces in a cargo may be filled with air and water. Weather precaution. This cargo shall be kept as dry as practicable. This cargo shall not be handled during precipitation. During handling of this cargo, all non-working hatches of cargo spaces into which this cargo is loaded to be loaded shall be closed. Loading. Trim in accordance with the relevant provision required under Section 4 and 5 of the Code. Prior to loading of this cargo, a certificate shall be provided by competent authority or shipper stating that material as a ship does not meet requirements for seed kit. Trimming means any leveling of a cargo within cargo space, either partial or total. Ventilation means exchange of air from outside to inside a cargo space. Storage factor means this figure which expresses the number of cubic meters which one of ton cargo will occupy. Loading and unloading. Cargo spaces shall be inspected and prepared for particular cargo which is to be loaded. Bridge line, sounding pipes, and other services lines with the cargo space shall be good order. Due consideration shall be paid. Minimize the expense to which thus may come into contact with moving parts of deck, missionary, and external navigational aids. Stowage and segregation, which shall be stored and handled in accordance with provision of a section 1 to 9 of this code, with additional provision included in individual schedule for cargoes in Group B applicable to constituents presenting the hazards, which shall be segregated in accordance with provision as appropriate.